Hey, welcome to Chaos Bikes Garage. So I picked up this little Tomos Nitro 50 scooter, and it doesn't run. I was told the CDI doesn't work and that it leaks gas. So we're going to dig into that today and see what the problem is here. I've already taken some of the scooter apart, and this is going to be part one of this restoration project. We're going to jump in to fix the gas tank. Alright, so today we're working on repairing this gas tank. As you can see, it's totally Swiss cheese. I tried repairing it with some braze, but it's cost prohibitive and this thing's just really destroyed. And here's a quick shot of the tank before I did any brazing. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna cut out this piece, we're gonna make a new piece, we're gonna weld it in, and then we're gonna go ahead and put a coating inside the tank that's gonna stop it from corroding and rusting ever again. So I've started this off by pulling the spigot part out with a hole saw, and that's going to go ahead and allow me to use this again once we get this working. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting this apart, and we're going to make this happen. So a little bit of quick backstory for you. I ended up picking up that scooter right there, a little Tomos Nitro 50, and I got a good deal on it, or so I thought, and now I'm coming to find out that a lot of it needs work. So I guess we're going to be going through a video series fixing up the scooter from not running and no compression and a Swiss cheese gas tank to a running scooter, and probably sell it to somebody who wants it. Not that I don't want it, but we'll see how it goes. I need the money for other stuff, you know, so now we're pulling out the Dremel Easy Lock. So it's a fantastic little tool. These discs actually last a really long time. So all you gotta do is take your disc, press it down on the spring, there we go, and then you give her a twist, and then it locks in just like that. Now that's ready to go. My Dremel failed me, so now we'll use the real toys instead. So really, it looks pretty good. I'm not seeing too much actual rust other than some surface rust in there. It looks like the rest of the tank is okay. Like honestly, that's in really good shape other than that one piece there. I got a whole bucket of this rust out of the tank yesterday. That looks like it was all coming from this one piece here that's been rotting away. Makes me wonder, like, was there water sitting in this? Cause like, damn, like there's nothing left of it. I don't know if like that brazing didn't even really do the trick, you know? There's still a ton of light showing through there. So I think I'm glad we're going this route instead. It's not going to be an exact match or a perfect copy, but it'll work, that's for sure. Alright, that's a pretty clean tank now. The stuff that I'm going to put in here should solve all these problems of all those little bits of rust. Really not too bad. That one back corner there has, I mean, a fair amount, but it's nothing that is going to cause us problems, I don't think. Alright, now that we got that edge cleaned up here, we can go ahead and start fitting a piece in here. So I'm seeing that these need to kind of be shaped a little bit. That is, unless I go like this. Which wasn't how I was planning to do it, but that might just be the best way. Now when working with metal, you'll find one of the most important tools to have around is a scribe. It allows you to easily mark metal permanently. Make sure, cut on the right side here. We're going to go just a little extra wide, just so we have a little bit of extra to play with. There. Now we're getting somewhere here. What I'm going to do is, because this sits pretty flat along the bottom here, and we've got that gap there, we're going to go ahead and bend this at a 90-degree angle upwards so we can work with that gap. Okay, then we're going to clamp this down. Right now, because this metal's so thin, it's going to be very, very easy to bend. Of course, we'll help that along with the addition of a hammer. Now, what we've got is pretty damn close to a 90-degree bend. Let's finish that up. Pretty good looking fit right there. Oh yeah, I can definitely see that working out. It's not gonna be perfect for sure, but it will work. It will certainly work. So I guess now is kind of a good time to make a mark on here and see where we're gonna cut it out. Make sure that looks good. It does. It's all right. Double check that again. I'm liking that. I'm liking that. Just gotta go nice and wide on everything here. So, we're going to go ahead and start cutting this. Go ahead and cut it extra wide first. I'll leave about a 1/4 inch all the way around if I can. That way there's just going to be some extra material there to weld to. Corner out. Should help us a little bit here. Alright, let's have a look at that. It's not bad. It's definitely not bad. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, helpful, or entertaining, please leave me a like. If you didn't like it, leave me a dislike. I can still see them. We're going to be coming out with part 2 here very shortly, and that's going to be bringing this tank up to snuff, and then further than that, part 3 of getting this bike up and running. So do stay tuned for the next episode. It's going to be coming soon, and we'll catch you then. Take care.